Welcome back to Solidworks and NC Tutor YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button. In this Solidworks Weldment tutorial, we are going to learn how to make the custom profiles in Solidworks Weldments, and we will see how we can save and configure the custom profiles for our structure or design. So by this you can also save your profiles like 40 by 40 aluminum profiles or 30 by 30 for your CNC machine frames. So this is the profile we have downloaded, and this is 30 by 30 aluminum profile. So we are going to take the sketch from this profile. So here we have the sketch. So what we are going to do is we are going to save this sketch in our weldment structural members or weldment library. So for that we have to go to properties, and from here go to custom, select description from here and give it the name like aluminum profile 30 cross 30. Once you have given the name, select OK from here, and now what we have to do is we have to select this sketch, go to save as, and from here we will select the library feature. So this is the library feature part from here, and now what we are going to do is we have to locate the folder. Here go to SolidWorks, and in SolidWorks there is a folder of lang language. So select lang folder from here, select English, and in English we have the folder of weldment profiles. So in weldment profiles we have two folders already. So this is the default folders. One is of ANSI inches and other is of ISO standard. So we are going to make the new folder for custom profiles like this. So again we are going to make the folder for our profile. So our profile description is aluminum profile 30 cross 30. So copy it and rename it with this text. So we are going to give the name of our file or part as 30 cross 30. Save it. So now you can see that our library feature or SolidWorks library feature has been saved. Now we will simply go to the new part, select OK from here, and select front plane. We are going to make the structure to test our custom profile. So we will make the simple rectangle from here, give it the value of 200 by 200 like this. Select OK from here. Now simply make your plane offset and give it the dimension of 300 mm like this. Select OK from here. Now simply convert this sketch to this plane. Go to sketch, select this sketch and convert entities, go to exit sketch. Now in weldments, if you want to draw into 3D sketch, you can draw it from here. I have explained all these features or basic features in the previous videos. You can watch the videos from the description. Now simply again select the line and join these 2 points like this. So once our sketch is ready, now we will simply go to weldments, enable this weldment environment from here, go to structural member, and from here you can see that this is the standard and this is the custom folder we have made, and this is the type, and this is the aluminum profile custom folder we have made in this standard. So from here we will select 30 cross 30 profile. Now simply select the edge, and you can see that our profile has been created. So now simply select this edge and you can see that our profile has been made. Now we can simply add the groups like this. If you want to learn about the alignment of the profile or mirror profile, flipping of the profile, you can watch the video from the description. So you can see that how easily we have made the frame After that we can make the screws or other brackets for our printers or CNC machines frames. So like this you can make any design efficiently and easily. So this is the procedure of how to add custom profiles in SolidWorks Weldment. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting and keep sharing our channel for more interesting videos.